Hi, this is David with Paint Protection of Charlotte. Again, we're making one of these videos basically just going over the process, our approach, why we do it. So here we have Fisker's new Ocean, completely new design, first car in years. The Fisker Karma was the original car. They just came out with this Fisker Ocean. So we are going to be providing a full body wrap on this matte paint, just because matte paint is a nightmare to fix, repaint or fix chips. So full body wrap. We'll go over the whole process with you, just showing you our attention to detail, try and wrap every edge where possible, eliminate seams. We've removed a few badges here and there to give us a better look, fit and finish. So we'll go straight into the footage of us installing and we'll chat a little bit more. We just finished installing this rear deck lid. We removed the emblem right here so there wasn't an ugly cutout around it, and these emblems usually never line up anyway with the pattern. Then we went ahead and extended all the edges, that way we can wrap everything, get a cleaner look and wrap all the paint. So we've already trimmed up the bottom line, we'll trim up the sides, wrap those, and then once we seal all the edges, you won't see it's on there. We'll put the emblem back on, there won't be a cutout around it, and everything will be good to go. An area that we see a lot of contamination, or just over time it starts lifting, is this top of the mold line. This Fisker has the removable gaskets, but what we did was to give us a nice clean line, which you don't actually see. There's no chance it's ever lifting. You're never going to get dirt build up there. Nice, clean, invisible. So we removed the trim, installed the film, and then when we put the gasket back on, you can't see films even installed on there. Nice, clean install onto the next panel. So we're about to wrap the hood on this Fisker. The nice people at Fisker don't actually want you to open this hood, but there's no way I'm installing this without being able to wrap the edges. So that's another reason why we go the extra mile, because a lot of shops wouldn't do this and they're just going to leave you exposed edge, which can collect dirt, look like crap. So we have to remove the panel here, just held in by some tabs, undo a couple of bolts, and then we can lift the hood up so we're able to wrap all the hoods. As you've seen, we just installed this hood on the Fisker. We got about an inch overlap on each edge now. So what we're going to do back is go back, trim it, wrap it underneath, and then once we've sealed everything, you won't even see it's wrapped. So just a little bit of extra time to remove this panel, undo the bolts to get the hood up so we can wrap it. Makes such a huge difference. And I know the owner is going to be very happy with the way we did it, instead of just being lazy and just cutting it up to the edge. So we'll go ahead, trim this, wrap it, and be good to go.